Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI creator Z16 Hiroshi Fujiwara limited edition. So friend, MSI has launched the creator Z16 Hiroshi Fujiwara limited edition, which is the same time as the world's first and only laptop that highly praised Hiroshi Fujiwara has ever worked. And friend, the collaboration between MSI and Hiroshi Fujiwara not only incorporates the features of two brands but merges two aesthetic concepts into the one great piece of artwork. And friends, this laptop will be comes with carefully laser etched logos, granting the laptop a deluxe and striking visual expression. The bold lighting pattern or the cover side symbolize the audacity of Hiroshi Fujiwara that establish an example of street fashion. And friend, the emblem of the collaboration rests on the lower right part of the keyboard side, showcasing the partnership dedicated to bringing out premium enjoyment of beauty. And friend, the beauty of this product is displayed through a CNC machine unibody with a dedicated one presenting a silky smooth texture, bringing out the pure elegance of the laptop. And friend, this laptop introduces a brand new trend in fashion. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.